Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sarvajna Learning Center. Today we are going to present SSC JEE Mechanical Previous Year Question Paper 2018 Paper 1 Part 2. This is the remaining part of Part 1 on General Engineering section. Friends, please like our video and share and subscribe to your friend also. Now we are going to start the question 1 or question 51. Then dash surface hardening process gives maximum hardness to the surface. The option 1 pack hardening, 2 nitriding, 3 cyaniding, 4 induction hardening. The correct answer is nitriding, which gives us the maximum hardness to the surface. Next question, dash is not a ceramic material. Option 1 glass, 2 bakelite, 3 clay, 4 aluminum oxide. The correct answer is bakelite is not a ceramic material. Next question, to which of the following is a proof stress related? Option 1 elongation, second necking, third yielding, 4 fracture. The elongation is related to proof stress. Next question, mechanical seals are used. Option 1 prevent vibration, option 2 prevent leakage, option 3 reduce friction, option 4 to balance the equipment. The correct answer is to prevent leakage, option number 2. Next question, noise level in case of the aircraft is. Option 1 generally less than 100 decibel, option 2 generally more than 100 decibel, option 3 always more than 100 decibel, 4 in the range of 60 to 80 decibel. So noise level of aircraft is always more than 100 decibel. Next question, the tool life of the tool is said to be over if. Option 1 the tool has failed and poor surface finish is obtained, 2 sudden increase in power and cutting forces takes place and chatter appears in machining, option 3 overheating and fuming due to the friction occurs in addition to dimensional instability, option 4 all options are correct. So these are the all options are correct, option number 4 is correct. Next question, graphite mold continuous casting method because. Option 1 the metals weight the mold slightly, option 2 only a small film of lubricating oil is required, option 3 they are self lubricating, 4 they are comparatively cheaper. The option number 3 is correct, they are self lubricating. Graphite molds are self lubricating. Next, ceramic tools are fixed to tool by the following process. Option 1 soldering, 2 brazing, 3 welding, 4 clamping. The correct answer is brazing. Next, gear tooth vernier is used. Option 1 to measure the addendum, 2 measure the addendum and dedendum, 3 to measure the circular pitch, 4 to measure the pitch line thickness of addendum and dedendum. The option number 4 is correct, to measure the pitch line thickness. Next question, if alpha is the rake angle of the cutting tool and phi is the shear angle and theta is the cutting velocity, then the velocity of chip sliding along the shear plane is given by 1 theta cos alpha upon sine of theta minus alpha, option 2 theta sine alpha sine of phi minus alpha, option 3 theta sine alpha upon cos of phi minus alpha, option 4 theta cos alpha upon cos of phi minus alpha. The correct answer is option number 4 theta cos alpha upon cos of phi minus alpha. Next question, the major constituent of fuel are. Option 1 carbon hydrogen oxygen, 2 carbon hydrogen oxygen and nitrogen, option 3 carbon oxygen hydrogen nitrogen phosphorus and sulfur, option 4 carbon and hydrogen. The correct answer is carbon and hydrogen are the main constituent of the fuel. The option number 4 is correct. Next question, the general gas equation is given as. Option 1 PV equal to MT, option 2 P upon V equal to MT, option 3 PV equal to MRT, option 4 P upon V equal to MRT. The correct answer is, we know the general gas equation is PV equal to MRT. Next question, molar volume is equal to. Option 1 22.41 meter cube at NTP, option 2 2. 4 meter cube at NTP, 3 29.27 meter cube at NTTP, option 4 1.03 meter cube at NTP. The correct answer is option 1 22.41 meter cube at NTP. NTP means normal temperature and pressure is 22.41. Next question, internal combustion engine works on option 1 first law of thermodynamics, option 2 second law of thermodynamics, option 3 zeroth law of thermodynamics, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 1 first law of thermodynamics. Next question, the first and second law of thermodynamics help to derive the following properties respectively. Option 1 of pressure and temperature, option 2 temperature and entropy, option 3 pressure and entropy, option 4 temperature and enthalpy. The correct answer is option number 2 temperature and entropy. The first law signifies temperature and second law signifies the entropy. Next question, constant volume process is option 1 isopiastic process, option 2 hyperbolic process, 3 isometric process, 4 polytropic process. The correct answer is isometric process. Constant volume process is known as isometric process. Next question, which one of the following is the steady flow energy equation for boiler? Option 1 H1 plus V1 square upon 2Gj is equal to H2 plus V2 square upon 2Gj. 2 Q is equal to H2 minus H1. 3 H1 plus V1 square upon 2Gj plus Q is equal to H2 plus V2 square upon 2Gj. Option 4 W equal to Q plus H2 minus H1. The correct answer is for boiler is there is no work is there in boiler, therefore the option number 2 is correct. Q is equal to H2 minus H1. Next question, the internal energy of a gas obeying van der Waals equation P plus A upon V square into V minus B is equal to RT depends on its option 1 temperature, 2 temperature and pressure, 3 temperature and specific volume, 4 pressure and specific volume. The correct answer is option number 3 temperature and specific volume. Next question, consider the following property: A entropy, B viscosity, C temperature, D specific heat at constant volume. Which of the above property of the system are extensive? Option 1 only A, option 3 B C D, option 2 A and B, option 4 A B D. The extensive property is one in which depends upon the mass. The option number 1 is only depends, that is A entropy. Entropy means option number 1. The 1 is correct. Next question, in cooling tower water is cooled by the process of option 1 condensation, 2 fusion, 3 evaporation, 4 sublimation. The correct answer is option number 3 evaporation. While starting the centrifugal pump, option 1 delivery valve is kept wide open, option 2 delivery valve is kept closed, option 3 inlet valve is kept closed, 4 delivery valve is open slightly. The option number 2 is correct, delivery valve is kept closed. Next question, in the centrifugal pump maximum efficiency is obtained when the blades are option 1 bend backward, 2 bend forward, 3 straight, 4 buried to have the aerofoil section. The correct answer is option number 1 bend backward. Next question, one dimensional flow is 1 option 1 involving 0 transverse component of flow, 2 uniform flow, 3 in steady uniform flow, 4 none of these. The correct answer is involving 0 transverse component of flow is known as a one dimensional flow. Next question, the hydraulic mean depth for a rectangular section is, where B is width of rectangular section and D is the depth of the water. The option 1 BD upon 2D plus B, option 2 BD upon D plus B, option 3 2 BD upon D plus D, 4 BD upon 2 times D plus B. The correct answer is option number 1 BD upon 2D plus B. The hydraulic mean depth means the contact in the liquid, the area which is contact in liquid. Next question, The branch of engineering science which deals with the water at rest or in motion is called? Option 1 hydraulics, option 2 fluid mechanics, option 3 applied mechanics, option 4 kinematics. The correct answer is option number 1 hydraulics. Next question. Pressure inside a water droplet is given by the relation. Option 1 P is equal to 4 sigma upon D, option 2 P is equal to 3 sigma upon D, 3 P is equal to 8 sigma upon D, 4 P is equal to 16 sigma upon D. The correct answer for the water droplet is pressure is equal to 4 sigma upon D. Next question. Vertical distribution of velocity in an open channel for laminar flow can be assumed as: option 1 offer no resistance to change of shape, option 2 offer resistance to change of shape, option 3 offer least resistance to compression, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 3 offer least resistance to compression. Next question. A manometer is used to measure: option 1 velocity of flow in channel, 2 atmospheric pressure, option 3 pressure in pipe, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 3 pressure in pipes. Next question. The length of mouthpiece as compared to diameter is: option 1 5 to 6 times, option 2 6 to 8 times, option 3 2 to 3 times, option 4 1 to 1.5 times. The correct answer is option number 3 2 to 3 times. The lower critical Reynolds number is approximately equal to: option 1 100, 2 200, 3 1000, 4 2000. The lower critical Reynolds number is 2000. The correct option is option number 4 2000. Next question. If a thin plate is held normal to the flow, the viscous drag on it is: option 1 maximum, 2 minimum, 3 0, 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 3 0. Next question. The cross section of Cipolliti weir is: option 1 rectangular, option 2 triangular, 3 trapezoidal, 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 3 trapezoidal. Next question. When there is no air left below the nappy, it is known as: option 1 free nappy, second depressed nappy, third adhering nappy, 4 all options are correct. The option number 3 is correct, adhering nappy. Next question. In case of reaction turbine, option 1 P1 is equal to P2, that is pressure 1 equal to pressure 2, option 2 pressure 1 is greater than pressure 2, option 3 P1 is less than P2, option 4 none of these. The correct answer is option number 2 P1 is greater than P2. Next question. The overall efficiency of Pelton wheel is about: option 1 0.55, 2 0.65, option 3 0.85, option 4 0.99. The correct answer for the Pelton wheel is 85%, that is 0.85, option number 3. Next question. Stream and velocity potential function for a two-dimensional flow field is given by u equal to 2x and v equal to minus 2y. Then find out the correct option. So if you have find out the velocity potential and stream potential, then we have to make the options derivative. The option derivative, the option number 1 is correct, which gets the u is equal to d phi by dy and v is equal to d phi by dy. Okay, the option number 1 is correct. Next question. Which one of the following statement is correct for a force vortex? Option 1 turns in an opposite direction to the free vortex, option 2 always occurs in conjunction with the free vortex, 3 has a linear velocity directly proportional to the radius, 4 has the linear velocity inversely proportional to the radius. The correct answer is has the linear velocity directly proportional to the radius for force vortex. Next question. Why is multi-staging in centrifugal pump is used? Option 1 for high flow rate, 2 for high head, 3 for high speed, 4 for high efficiency. The correct answer is for high head. Multi-staging is done in centrifugal for the high head. Next question. The overall efficiency of a Pelton turbine is 70%. If the mechanical efficiency is 85%, then what is the hydraulic efficiency? So we know that the overall efficiency is equal to hydraulic efficiency into the mechanical efficiency. So by using the formula, we have to find out the answer is 0.824. Next question: which of the following water turbine does not require a draft tube? Option 1 propeller turbine, 2 Pelton turbine, 3 Kaplan turbine, 4 Francis turbine. The correct answer is Pelton turbine. The impulse turbine does not require the draft tube. Option number 2 is correct, Pelton turbine. Next, which phenomenon will occur when the valve at the discharge end of a pipe connected to a reservoir is suddenly closed? The suddenly closed phenomenon. Option 1 is cavitation, 2 erosion, 3 hammering, 4 surging. The correct answer is option number 3, hammering. The hammering is the effect which will be observed. Next question: the pressure drop for a relatively low Reynolds number flow in 600 mm 30 meter long pipeline is 70 kilopascal. What will be the wall shear stress? So using the wall shear stress formula, so solving we got the answer 350 Pascal. Next question: uniform flow occurs when option 1 the flow is steady, 2 flow is streamlined, 3 size and shape of the cross section in a particular length constant, option 4 size and cross section change uniformly along the length. The correct answer is option number 3, size and shape of the cross section in a particular length is constant, is known as a uniform flow. Next question: general energy equation holds for option 1 steady flow, 2 turbulent flow, 3 laminar flow, 4 non-uniform flow. The correct answer is for non-uniform flow. The general energy equation holds good. Next question: two pipe system can be said to be equivalent when the following quantities are same. Option 1 friction loss and flow, option 2 length and diameter, option 3 flow and length, option 4 friction factor and diameter. The correct answer is option number 1 friction loss and flow. Next question: water by evaporative cooling can theoretically by cool down to option 1 atmospheric temperature, 2 air's dry bulb temperature, 3 air's wet bulb temperature, 4 air's dew point temperature. The correct answer is option number 4 air's dew point temperature. Next question: any change in load is adjusted by adjusting following parameter on turbine. Option 1 net head, 2 absolute velocity, 3 blade velocity, 4 flow. The correct answer is option number 4 flow. Next question: a turbine pump is basically a centrifugal pump equipped additionally with option 1 adjustable blade, 2 backward curve blade, 3 when diffuse casting, 4 inlet guide blade. The correct answer is option number 3 when diffusion casing. When diffusion casing. The next question: a Pelton wheel is option 1 impulse turbine, 2 radial flow impulse turbine, 3 inward flow impulse turbine, 4 outward flow impulse turbine. The Pelton wheel is only impulse turbine. Option number 1 is correct, impulse turbine. Next question: guide angle as per the aerofoil theory of Kaplan turbine blade design is defined as the angle between option 1 lift and resultant force, 2 drag and resultant force, option 3 lift and tangential force, 4 lift and drag. The correct answer is option number 1 lift and resultant force. So thank you friends. If you like our video, then subscribe and share to your friend also. Thank you.